So, today let us know what is science. So, science is nothing but knowing about the established truths. It means in the world there are certain truths are there. They are already established. So, scientists what they are doing, they are trying to know about that established truths. So now we are very much struggled with or struggling with this one pandemic. What is that? Corona. And the scientists are they are trying to discover or trying to find out vaccine. So the whole world is waiting for this vaccine. So how it is prepared vaccine? And you are nowadays you are hearing or you are aware that the plasma. So they are taking this plasma from the patients who recovered from this corona. So what do you mean by this? So in this plasma contains or possess antibodies. Antibodies for what? For corona. What do you mean by this? In our blood we have white blood cells and red blood cells. These white blood cells what they do? They fight against the disease causing organisms or bacteria or virus that enter into our body. So the patient who got this corona and when he cured in his body, these antibodies are being formed to fight against that corona. So he recovered. So by taking that plasma, they inject. Now they are trying to inject into the patients. So based on this, they prepare this vaccine. So vaccine is nothing but they induce the weakened coronavirus. It means the virus which causes corona is that strength of that corona is nullified or decreased. So they weakened. They make that corona weak. So by making that corona weak, they prepare one what we call vaccine. It means they are inducing or injecting the disease causing corona only into the people. Are you following? Actually, now we give polio. Now you are aware of this polio vaccine. So what is polio vaccine is nothing. Polio vaccine is nothing but the polio is caused by a bacteria. So these bacteria, what they do, they develop this bacteria in a lab, and by certain methods, by exposing to certain chemicals or certain rays, they make the bacteria very weak. So that weakened bacteria with some fluid, now they give to the babies or up to below 10 years, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and to up to 5 months, 5 years babies they give. So when the weakened bacteria entered into the healthy person, then what happens? In our body we have resistance power. It means the white blood cells are there. So when any foreign body or foreign substance, foreign chemical or foreign disease causing organism enters into the blood, then what happens? In the blood, we have white blood cells, phagocytes, otherwise they are called. So they develop antibodies which can fight against this virus or bacteria. So now they are released. When they released, actually in general condition, what happens when any disease causing bacteria enters, the antibodies are produced in our blood and they fight against that bacteria and they kill. Now here in vaccine, what happens? Before getting that disease, we give this vaccine. Actually, medicines, antibacterial medicine are called where uh, streptomycin, erythromycin, ampaxin. These are all some medicines to cure bacteria we get. Here here these medicines we get, we take when a person is a get the disease. For example, we get typhoid, salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi is a bacteria. Due to that bacteria, we get the disease. So then what we do? We go to the doctor and doctor gives a medicine. That medicine kills that bacteria. But here the vaccine is different from that. Vaccine is given to all the persons who are very healthy. Is it clear? So here what happens when we give that vaccine, then what happens? It is actually very weak. That vaccine contains disease causing virus or bacteria, but that bacteria is very very weak. It cannot harm the person. But when they enter into the body by giving that vaccine, we have that automatic system that antibodies against that virus is produced, but they are not that much strong, so they are nothing to do. Now what happens? Now antibodies are generated and they are in the blood now. So when actually disease causing that coronavirus enters into our body, so the readily available antibodies that are present in our blood then immediately attack that coronavirus and they kill. So that is why we get cured. So it is a safe. So and this medicine we get after getting the disease, but vaccine we take before getting the disease. It means we are get ready to kill that bacteria. So that is now this is called science. Now here what is happening? What scientists are generally they are producing already. There is a established truth. What is that established truth? In our blood there is a immune system. Any disease causing germ enters into our body, blood produce antibodies. So based on that, the scientists are now producing or developing vaccine. So it is nothing new. Already that is there in our body mechanism, that is called established truth. So knowing about established truth is called science. So based on that truth, now we are developing this vaccine. So science is nothing but knowing about established truth. So what is the established truth here? Naturally in our blood antibodies are produced when a disease causing any bacteria or virus enters into our body. So based on that principle, now in vaccine weakened bacteria which does not cause any harm to that person, they induced into the blood. So against that antibodies are produced. So this is a natural phenomenon. Antibodies are produced is a natural phenomenon. This is called knowing truth. Yes, this is established truth. So knowing about that established truth is called science. So let us know something more in our next class.